Hi students, chemistry is easy when we understand and learn. Let us learn today about basics of acid and bases. Okay, let us compare and study acid and bases so that we understand very clearly. So acid, what is acid? These are substance which releases H plus ion in the aqueous solution. What is aqueous solution? It is in water. Any substance dissolved in water is called as aqueous solution. So these are substances which releases H plus ion in aqueous solution. All type of acid will release H plus ion. So they combine with water molecule to form hydronium ion. H3O plus is called hydronium ion. It is exhibited as hydronium ion. What about base? These are substances which releases OH minus ion in the aqueous solution. When these substances are dissolved in water, they produce OH minus ion. So then they are called as base. Right? Okay. What else? Okay. What is the taste? Acid has sour in taste. Okay. And this side base are bitter in taste. Right? For acid, you want to taste and test it, you can taste your lemon. Okay, lemon contains acid. So if you taste it, you know what is the taste. So taste, right? And to identify whether the given substance is acid or base, we can use litmus paper. If it is acid, turns blue litmus paper red. Okay, acid turns blue litmus paper red. And base turns red litmus paper blue. So base starts with B, okay, and the solution is also B, blue. Okay, base gives you blue color. BB, okay, base gives you blue color. So red litmus to blue, and the vice versa is for acid. Blue litmus to red. Okay. Then acids are substance which conducts electricity in solutions because they produce H plus ion. So any substance which produce ions, they conduct electricity. So they conduct electricity in solution. What about base? Base also produce OH minus ion. So they also conduct electricity in solution. Any substance which produce ions will conduct electricity. Okay, so both acid and base conduct electricity. Then if this acid spills over your skin, it burns the skin. Okay, if the acid spills over your skin, then it will burn the skin, or you will have the burning sensation. If it is dilute acid, you will have the burning sensation. Concentrated acid will burn the skin. Okay, we must be careful in handling the acids. What about base? It is soapy to touch. It will also have an irritating nature, but when you touch it, it is sloppy and slippery. Okay, soapy and slippery in nature. Then, to understand it still better, we have to give some examples, right? Example of an acid is HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. All these we know, right? Let us have one more example. CH3, COOH. What is this? Acetic acid. Yes, all these are acids. See here, everywhere hydrogen is present. Wherever hydrogen is present, right? So these are acids. This hydrogen has to be released in water. Then only they will be called as acid. Okay. This hydrogen is released in water as H plus ion. Then we call them as acid. What about base? Example for base, we have NaOH, we have KOH, we have calcium hydroxide, and so on. Right? See here, we have OH in every case. And these OH ions should be released in water. When dissolved in water, they should be released. When they release, then we call it as a base. Now, in these cases, these hydroxides are released in water. So, all these are basic in nature. They possess hydroxides, right? Then we'll see types. Okay, what are the types of acid? And we have types of bases. Okay, so first case, natural types. Okay, acid we have natural and we have synthetic. Okay, natural is from nature we get. Its other name is, I can call it as organic acid. Okay, so in nature how do we get? We get from plants, vegetables, fruits, everything. So that is natural acid. Okay, these are obtained from natural sources like plants, vegetables, fruits, everything. Okay, so these are weak acids, and we have example acetic acid, we have tartaric acid, we have so many acids, ascorbic acids. Okay, we have lactic acids. Okay, all these are natural acids. What about other types? See, example acetic acid, we have vinegar, we get vinegar, and oxalic acid is from tomato. So all these are organic acids, right? Then we have another type, mineral acid. Mineral acids are which we take from rocks, okay, and which we prepare it from rocks. So it is man-made acid. Directly from rocks, when we take the minerals and we make it to acid, we call it as mineral acids. Okay, so examples are HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. This is one classification, that is we have natural or organic acid and we have mineral acid. Okay, second category I can say weak acid and strong acid. So HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, all these are strong acid. What about weak acid, acetic acid, oxalic acid, vinegar, everything are weak acids. Okay, what about this side, types of bases? We have two types, water soluble bases and water insoluble bases. What are water soluble? As the name indicates, if the hydroxides are soluble in water, then we call it as water soluble bases. Okay, they are generally strong base. Here we have sodium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, KOH. Okay, all alkaline earth metals are strong bases. So these are alkali. Sodium is alkali metal. Okay, base with alkali metal are strong bases. Potassium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Okay, all these are strong bases. Water insoluble, and they are soluble in water also, the upper one. Okay, water insoluble, the base which are insoluble in water we have. Transition metal, we call these as transition metal, copper hydroxide, any hydroxides here. Okay, these are insoluble in water. Calcium hydroxide, this is alkaline earth metal, still it is insoluble. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, these are examples of water insoluble bases. Okay, we have one more type category. So strong base and weak base. Okay, strong base is one like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, all these are completely soluble in water. So they are called as strong base. Then we have weak base like ammonium hydroxide, and this one is soluble in water. Don't mistake with the water insoluble state. This is an example for weak base. Okay, ammonium hydroxide is an example for weak base. Thank you students. Keep learning. Okay, keep smiling. Let us meet in another class.